Hello everyone, my name is Isabel and welcome back to my personal finance channel, Your Friendly Budgetarian. Hi, if you are new here in my channel, I have been creating videos about personal finance as well as documenting my path towards financial freedom, and I'm starting that off by paying 6 figures worth of student loans. So if you guys are interested, please click the subscribe button down below. Alright, so as you can see, my outfit is kind of different today because I actually just got back home from work and I'm just trying to, kind of do things right away, make sure that I film videos on time for you guys. And so I'm not wearing any makeup at all or whatsoever. And without further ado, let's go over my April net worth update. Alright, so this is an overview for my net worth, and I'm just gonna go over them real quick. There's really not much, any big differences, but I just want for you guys to be updated. So let's go over, and maybe let's just zoom it a little bit more. Alright, so first things first for my student loans. So my second to the last student loan is finally paid off. Woohoo! So now it's at $0. The second one that I have, and the only one remaining, is at $23,300, and after that I'm debt free. Woohoo! Anyways, so that's the only amount left. Yeah, I really paid a lot of amount, as you guys have seen in my budget closeout, which I will post in the description box below. I paid about $8,000 for the month of April, which really helped a lot with me moving from a balance of $31,000 to now almost less than $20,000, almost. So we'll get there eventually. All right, so for my savings, I have totally depleted my checkings rollover. I only have about $206.87 in my account, so I have to fund that again into at least around $500. So that's how it will be. Actually, for this week at work, I just did about 6.5 hours of overtime, which is actually a lot. And it's kind of funny now that I think about it. Before, I used to even do like 8 to 12 hours of overtime each month. So 6 hours honestly is not too bad, but I just haven't gotten used to it because the past couple of months I've only been working my normal 40 hours a week. So it's totally fine. It's worth it. So whatever money I got from my overtime hours this week, I will definitely use those to help replenish my checkings rollover account. For my high yield savings account, both the M1 Plus and Ally. So right now I'm not actually contributing to Ally. I actually transferred all my money from Ally to M1 Spend Plus because it's accruing 1% interest right now. And actually I just received a notification from Ally that they're going to be increasing the interest rate from 0.5 to 0.6%, which I'm actually excited. I mean, I don't know if it's a good sign, that the federal interest rates have or will be increasing. I mean, in terms of at least with the high yield savings account, I know it's probably not going to be a good news for mortgage interest rates and the student loan interest rates from like private institutions, but at least for those who are saving money, it will be a good news for us. So that I have about $5,472.24. I did not contribute to it back in April, anything at all, because all the extra money almost always have gone to my student loans. So my money market account, I don't put anything in that for now, because again, that one is from Ally. I've just been all putting them in my M1 Spend Plus if I have the extra money. So for my brokerage accounts, there's 2. I just put in here the total. I'm not gonna delineate the difference the amount that I have in each, just for privacy purposes. So I have $5,638.07. And of course, unfortunately, as we all know, that the market has been down. So this amount right here was, I think I recorded them in like around May 2nd or May 3rd. It's not necessarily the end of the April month, but it's still kind of close, so that's fine for me. But yes, it definitely has depleted. I didn't put anything and then I still lost money, but it is what it is. So yeah, we can't really do anything about that. I know for sure that even though it's a bear market right now, couple of months or who knows when, it will go back to the bull market. So it always redeem itself, basically. For crypto, so I have $111.24. Actually, crypto is so bad right now. As of May 12th, I think my crypto balance is around $70 or something. I just checked it this morning and it's like $70. So also crypto is not good right now, but again, it is what it is. For my HSA, this one is not really accruing interest, nor it's being invested in the market right now. So it's just in my HSA bank account. So it's $830.02. My employer, they do give me contribution for that. So they contribute $75 every month. So that adds up to my contribution. So right now it's I think for single filers, it's $3,650 for the max amount that you can contribute. So part of that is from my employer, which I'm very, very grateful about. And at least that kind of decreases what I have to contribute for me to be able to fully fund my HSA account. But for now, it's at $830.02. And then last but not the least, my cash. I only have $40. I know I have spent some, honestly, the bad thing with cash is I have honestly not been able to itemize or to account for the stuff that I purchased with cash. So as you can see, I have $66, and honestly, I don't know where that $26 went, and I feel so bad. But I think it's probably one of, maybe when I had my eyebrows done, honestly, but I don't remember, which is bad. That's why I hate cash. I hate bringing cash, and I hate not accounting for the stuff that I purchased with cash. So that's why I don't really carry a lot. But yeah, all in all, for my savings, I have $12,298.44. And yeah, definitely, as you can see, there's a decrease in that amount. So it is what it is. So moving on to my total retirement. So I do have 2 accounts for my Roth and traditional, which again, one is from M1 Finance, and then the other one is from Wealthfront. So Wealthfront is my robo-advisor account, and then M1 Finance is my other online brokerage account. So total for both of them is $15,155.26, and as always, you see a decrease there, even though I think I put $300, I believe. Let me actually double check that just to be sure. But I think I did put $300 in my, let's see here. Yes, I put $300 in my Roth or traditional account, but unfortunately it still decreased, and it is what it is. For my TSP/401k, that's my 401k from work, and I have $31,413.76. Again, I contribute $350 every paycheck. That gets deducted from my gross salary or gross income. And I put $1,050 for the month of April because we had 3 paychecks. But guess what? It didn't increase because of the market. So all in all, I have about $46,569.02. I've been praying for like the last couple of months for my retirement account to surpass $50,000, but it's not happening. It's not happening because of the market. But it's fine. It's fine. You just stay put, you know, you just hold, we just keep on investing, hold it, and then wait for 20 years before we retire. And yeah, and then we'll see. Hopefully we'll be millionaires by then, right? So anyways, that is my total for my retirement. All right, so for our final number for the net worth. So first, how do we calculate the net worth? We have our assets minus our liabilities, meaning that will be our net worth. So my total assets is $58,867.46. Yes, I passed the $60,000 mark back in March, but unfortunately April, it definitely went down. So just saying. So for my net worth, it is $35,567.46. Woohoo! So how is it possible that it still increased even when the market is down? And that's because I've been paying off my student loans. I've paid off $8,000, but as you can see with the monthly net worth change, it says it's only $5,833.55. And again, that is because of the market being down. Basically, I've lost about maybe $3,000 or so. So it is what it is. So my year-to-date net worth change is $16,618.07. So as you can see, let me go ahead and just, all right. So as you can see from January of this year, I was at $18,949.39, and now I'm at $35,567.46. And as you can see in the bar graph, we still have that pattern of increasing. So I'm still definitely thankful for that. I hope it stays that way. And again, I just want to let you guys know, even if you're feeling down about the market, don't worry. Just again, like what other people have been saying and what I have been saying, just stay the course, stay put, and just keep on buying, or if you do have the means, still keep on investing your money. And if you have debts, also pay off your debts, or whatever your priorities are with regards to money. Just make sure that you just follow those priorities. Do your responsibilities and whatnot, and stay the course. And then eventually it will definitely reap a good return at the end, and it's definitely worth it. If you guys have been enjoying my videos and would like to know more about how I do my finances, please click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. And with that said, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!